Hey there, Capricorn. This is your Who is Your Stalker video from August 10 till the 16. Who is your stalker, Capricorn? For sure you have an idea, but let's see. Let me describe the stalker. Okay, Capricorn, your stalker. Okay, your stalker happens to be someone whom you broke up with. Wow, what an instant. Okay, this person happens to be someone whom you broke ties with, you break up with, you broke up with, you break the connection with. If you are not in a relationship before, if you are having mutual understanding, you just broke it off and that's it. Okay, someone you broke ties with. Another clue as to who is your stalker, Capricorn. Your stalker happens to be someone who has a very huge appetite for sex. Yeah, someone who has a very huge appetite for making love, someone who's very aggressive, or someone who's really good in action but not good in words, Capricorn. This person, you need to read between the lines, or you need to have a very keen eye, observant with regard to this person's actions. This person is not good in communication. Okay, another thing with your stalker, clue, your stalker happens to be someone who is not good in showing to you that he or she is really interested in you. You feel there's something, but it seems like that something is not enough that would lead to consistency. That this person is really into you and it's really breaking your heart and it's really making you more confused. Like, I feel there's feelings between the two of us, but you are not showing to me that you like me, like deeply like me. So what is it? What are we? That's really the big question. Now, the next question is, why is this person stalking you, Capricorn, if this person is not interested in you? The reason why this person is stalking you, Capricorn, because this person is wondering, why are you good in disciplining yourself, in having self-control? Yeah, you're really like stopping yourself not to fall trap towards whatever this person is doing. Yeah, this person is really wondering, why are you very controlled? Why are you so disciplined? Why are you having a very strong sense of self-control that you're not able to fall trap to whatever this person is doing? Another thing why this person is checking out on you, Capricorn, this person is wondering, are you pregnant? Or who are you talking to? Who are you spending your time with? Who are you conversing to? Who are you wasting your time with? See the word wasting? Who are you wasting your time with, Capricorn? This person wants to know. And lastly, this person wants to know why you're not connecting towards him or her. Why are you not initiating a move to connect with this person, Capricorn? It has been a big question mark because before you all of a sudden, Capricorn, you will immediately reply to this person. If you miss this person, you immediately talk to this person, chat to this person. But guess what? Tables have turned. You immediately change yourself. You have controlled yourself, and you don't even know where to go. Actually, all you know is that I will control myself because I don't want to be hurt anymore. My suggestion, Capricorn, when it comes to your stalker, since this stalker is not good and worse, keep on doing what you're doing. Let this person realize how important you are. Let this person realize his or her true feelings towards you, because if you will be always accessible to this person, it will be very easy for this person to lure you, to manipulate you, to trap you. Then this person will be very much comfortable that you will always be there for him or her, like a piece of a doormat. Like when I get bored here, I will just run towards you, and I know you will always there with open arms, right? And you do not want that anymore, Capricorn. That's my suggestion. Just continue what you're doing because you deserve much better. Hashtag self-love. Love yourself above all anything else. Okay? So, if you want to know if this person loves you, you guys, you can check on the playlist down there below. There's a link as to the Do They Love You playlist. Okay, the link is down there below so that you will know if this person loves you, if there's really like feelings towards you for the entire week. And also, Capricorn, if you want to jump into the major major guidelines, you can book a reading with me if you have liked my suggestion here on this reading and it resonates. You might, how much more when I'm going to do the reading for you guys. Yep. Yeah, just book a reading with me and we'll see further as to where this connection between you and the stalker abuse go because I got a feeling you are triggered by this person. Every time this person reach out to you, you're always triggered. Your emotions are triggered and not on a positive way, but more on a negative way. Anxiety arises. Sometimes you get into depression, you get heartaches. That's what I'm sensing. Okay, so yeah, if you want a reading, you just book a reading with me. I'm just one email away, details down there below, okay? Thank you so much for watching Capricorn and sending you energies of love, 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 and abundance, abundance, abundance.